Yeah, go.
Such an effort.
Go on, push. Go on.
Smooth it up a bit.
What are you doing?
Smooth it up a bit. And then...
No, so if it rolls on its side, we can always lift it up and start again.
No, if it rolls on its side, it's good. That means that it builds that way as well as that way. This is a giant boulder.
Go on then.
Oh, look, in the way.
Go, keep it going once it gets going.
I'm trying! It probably weighs more than me.
It does at the moment.
Oh God, Bella, move. Bella, go.
God, we get squashed. Oh yes, you're on the way down now, look. Easy.
It's not easy.
It is, go.
Bella, go.
Now push harder, harder, harder. Bella, go and give her a hand. That's really good, Nell. No, so just let it roll down the hill. Come on, let it roll down the hill. You're nearly there.
Oh, I ate some of it.
Oh no! Is this what's called an Arctic roll?
I thought that was a spider. Funny. Okay.
Go on, push! Push! Yes, push! Yes! Yes, keep it going now! Push! Yes! Yeah, you're on the top of the hill now, go! Yes, keep it going, keep it going.
Oh God. Ah!
It's brilliant!
I am the god.
How do you put this off?
I don't know, press anything.